Meaning of dugout canoe.
Dugout canoe.
Dugout canoe.
Dugout canoe.
Dugout canoe. A dugout canoe is a type of watercraft that is made from a hollowed-out tree trunk. The process involves removing the interior of the log by hand tools. This type of vessel has been used for transportation and fishing for thousands of years by indigenous peoples worldwide, especially in regions with abundant forests. Dugout canoes have been essential in the exploration and colonization of new lands, and are still used for recreational purposes and traditional ceremonies today.